In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Slack. This process is simple yet very efficient, allowing you to organize your work schedule seamlessly. Whether you're planning a small team meeting or a larger conference call, Slack has features that make scheduling straightforward. First, open the Slack app on your device and navigate to the workspace where you want to schedule the meeting. It's important to be in the correct workspace to ensure your meeting goes where it's needed. Once you're in the workspace, find the channel or direct message where you want to host the meeting. Choosing the right channel will ensure all participants get notified and can join the conversation easily. Next, click on the Compose button to start a new message. In the message box, type in the detailed agenda for your meeting. Making this agenda clear and concise is crucial because it helps attendees understand the purpose of the meeting and come prepared. After typing your message, look for the calendar app integration within Slack. If you haven't added a calendar app like Google Calendar or Outlook, you'll need to do this first. Integrating a calendar app with Slack allows you to set date and time parameters for your meeting directly within the app. Once your calendar app is integrated, click on the calendar icon. This action will prompt your app to open a scheduling window. Here, you'll be able to specify the date and time of your meeting, inviting participants as needed. Be sure to double-check the time zone settings, especially if your team is remote or spread across different regions. This ensures everyone joins the meeting at the correct local time. When you've set all the parameters, click the Schedule button. Slack will send a notification to all participants, and it will also update your calendar, providing reminders as the meeting time approaches. Try to schedule your meeting at a time when everyone is available, using features like polling to find the best slot if necessary. And there you have it. Your meeting is scheduled. Remember to check for any last-minute updates or changes, both within Slack and your calendar app. This allows for flexible planning and makes it easy to adjust if something comes up. Using Slack for scheduling is a game changer for productivity, keeping everyone informed and aligned with minimal effort. As we wrap up, double-check your meeting setup to confirm everything is in place, and make sure to send out any necessary documents or information in advance so everyone is prepared. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has helped you understand how to schedule meetings within Slack effectively. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your digital workspace.